Video I'm going to show you how to change a handle on a uPVC window. This window, the lock facility is gone in it. So I'm going to stick a screwdriver in there that'll allow me to open it. Now you got a screw on the bottom and you got a screw on the top. We're going to get a knife blade in there. Of course, be careful because the knife blade is sharp. Wear gloves. I know I'm not wearing gloves, but I recommend wearing gloves. You get yourself a Phillips head screwdriver and you loosen the bottom screw, and as it's about to pop out, hold on to it so it doesn't fall on the ground. Then you take out the top screw. Now that'll allow you to just pull it out like that. Most of these uPVC handles you'll get are a standard fit. As you can see, the screw holes are in the exact same size, they're in the exact same place, same alignment. The only difference is this is a heavier handle. The original handle is a better quality handle and it's slightly higher, but that's not the end of the world. This will still work. This is a generic handle. I think I bought it on Amazon Prime, and I put a link in the bottom of the video if you do need to buy one. You can get them in different finishes, but this comes with a set of keys, or one key, a number of different length spindles that can match up with the existing spindle that's in there. That's called a spindle. And then you've got a set of bolts, which I'll open. And these bolts can be cut at various lengths to match up with the existing length of the bolt you have. But I'm going to use the old bolts because they're perfectly fine and it saves me having to cut these. So you can hold on to these for the future, but let's be honest, you're probably not going to need them. I'll take my spindles out of the pack. This side goes into the handle and that's the side that goes into the frame. So I'm going to start by putting one side into the handle I purchased and checking the length. And as you can see there, it's pretty much the exact same. So when I go to put this in, it's locked now, so I need to use the key. I'm going to open that so it allows me to get at both screw holes. I'm going to put that in there, simple as that. Whilst holding that, I'm going to use my hands to just gently just screw that in and get it in. And then I'll complete that with the Phillips head screwdriver. Now I'm not going to fully tighten that until I get my bottom screw in. I'm doing this job for a friend of mine, and they weren't too bothered about the handle that was put in there. But if you had a set of nice premium rate aluminium or uPVC windows, you might be interested in contacting the manufacturer to get the exact same handle so that you don't have any difference in size. Now I just tighten that, tighten the top, and then I can close the window and put on the cap that's provided. And then I'm going to put the cap on, like so. And that's it, guys. Handle's working, it's functional, and it locks. And it's that easy if you ever want to do that yourself.